Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up a pot of hot butter rum at the pit, and it's real easy to do. So what are we making here, Slasher?
Hey, we're gonna make some hot butter rum. Hot butter rum.
Hey, Joe,
Get a little bit of water boiling.
It smells good in a fire pit.
And then we're gonna throw in some butter.
Yep.
Right on the water.
Oh, you just have a little bit of water in there, right? Just
That's all.
for helping melt the butter down.
Just a little, help that melt that butter down. Yeah. Just stir it up, get that butter melted good. We got a hot fire there. While the water's low, we're gonna have to add a little bit of cider. Real apple cider. Right from the orchard. We want to get this thing simmering a little. We're going to throw some brown sugar in there. Maybe a handful. Just like that, maybe. Throw some of that in. Maybe a little bit more. And we got some a little bit of allspice. Throw that in there. We'll get in some cinnamon. Throw that in there. A little bit of nutmeg. A little bit of ground clove. Stir it up a little. That's it. Just let that simmer in there a little bit. Right. Now we'll dump in some raw honey. There you go. Drop that in. Get the rest of it. Gone. All right. And we're going to dump in a little bit of vanilla extract. That's about all you need. There we go.
Smells good.
All right, so we're going to put in some, I'm not going to tell them, right?
Of course, it's St. Jerry.
All right, we're putting in rum. Spiced rum. Yep. We're putting in spiced rum. I think I forgot though what the recipe was and how much I'm supposed to put in, so I'm just going to wing it. That's about it. Ooh, Jesus. We'll hold it there.
Yes.
Maybe we'll add more.
Is there enough?
Oh, here it is.
Oh yeah.
Here's the magic. Let's take
Oh yeah.
We're drinking tonight, Martha.
Perfect. Take a little bit of this cinnamon sticks and dump them right in. We're going to mix this up just a little bit more. And we're going to let it sit here and enjoy itself for a while.
All right.
Okay, we're putting in the butter. Let's get the butter in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right,
Some hot butter rum.
scoop of butter.
Cool.
Grab your rum. Right. That's right. Oh, there you go. Scoop it up before it melts. You gotta throw some whipped cream on there?
Yeah, get some right now. You kidding? You kidding me?
Whoa. Cheers. Let's go, Bob. Oh, yeah. Cheers. Yeah.
All right. Hot buttered rum.
BBQ Pit Boys for life.
Hey, hey.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Happy
everybody.
holidays, everybody. Hopefully I shoot Rudolph.
It's good.
Dig it in.
Oh.
Here it is. Here's the magic.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.